First problem of the road is there is no drainage facility. The drainage water is flowing in front of the houses. Sandeep, can you suggest a solution for this problem?
Yeah, as my friend Nikhil said that in that area there is no proper drainage facility. The drainage water is also flowing in front of the houses. For this we can suggest that we can build a sewage tank at one end of the road and give the connection to every houses so that the drainage water flows into that sewage tank. From there it goes through the underground pipelines.
And the second problem of the road is the roads are polluted. The roads are, as we know, in Bangalore city, many construction places are going on. In this area also some construction places are going on, which construction materials like mud, sand and bricks are thrown on the road, as you can see here. Whether can you suggest a solution, Sandeep?
Yeah, this can be solved by using the same construction materials like sand, mud and bricks. It can be used for concealing the pits or holes which are found in the road, or it can be given for the BBMP workers so that they use it for any government use or any other use.
And the third problem of the road is the drinking water facility is not there. As you can see here, there is one water tank. There are about 25 houses in that area. For the 25 houses, there is only one water tank, which is not sufficient for them. So they need a water facility, and there is a small tap which is not by government. It is a private tap, and it is used only for 5 to 6 houses, and other people use the bore water. So, can you suggest a solution, Sandeep?
Yeah, this can be solved by digging a borewell at one end of the road so that it gives water for other purposes and it gives water for more than 3 to 4 years. Otherwise, we can build a hand borewell so that it gives water whenever current is not there also.
And the fourth problem of the road is there is no footpath. As I said that muds and bricks are thrown on the road so that the people are unable to walk due to the heavy flow of vehicles. Due to the heavy flow of vehicles, the people are unable to move, so accidents may occur. Here is a solution for this problem.
I can suggest this solution in a 2-in-1 way solution. It is like this. First, by laying concrete blocks on two sides of the road with a measurement of 1.0 and 1.5 meters. It also conceals the underground drainage system, which is also under the two edges of the road. Bricks are thrown in front of the houses.
And the drainage paths are not covered, and it is open in front of the houses.
The garbages are not collected and thrown here and there. It is thrown in the empty sites, and the BBMP workers are not regular to that area. First of all, save water. Use little water, save more water. If water is there, life is there.
Walk or use bicycles whenever possible. So it reduces the pollution.
Do not litter. Use solar energy as much as possible.
Don't cut trees, protect trees. If you cut one tree, plant more than 2 saplings. If you want to live better, let the trees live better first.